In a bold leap forward for electric vehicle technology, Leapmotor, backed by automotive giant Stellantis, has unveiled its latest marvel, the C16. This groundbreaking electric vehicle promises to redefine the standards of eco-friendly transportation with its cutting-edge design and advanced engineering. The Leapmotor C16 comes equipped with both pure electric and range-extended options, catering to the diverse needs of modern drivers. This dual capability addresses one of the primary concerns of electric vehicle adoption, range anxiety, by offering flexibility and peace of mind to its users. Whether navigating through urban jungles or embarking on long journeys, the C16 ensures that drivers can rely on its efficient powertrain. At the heart of the Leapmotor C16 lies a sophisticated battery system that delivers impressive performance metrics. Powered by state-of-the-art lithium-ion batteries, the C16 boasts a substantial range on electric mode alone, providing drivers with the freedom to travel without frequent recharging stops. Additionally, for longer trips, the range-extended option seamlessly activates a backup power source, ensuring uninterrupted driving experiences. Design-wise, the Leapmotor C16 embodies a blend of elegance and aerodynamic efficiency. Its sleek contours and futuristic styling not only enhance its visual appeal but also contribute to reduced drag, thereby optimizing energy efficiency. Inside, the cabin offers a sanctuary of comfort and technology, featuring premium materials and an intuitive infotainment system that keeps drivers connected and entertained on the go. Safety remains a top priority for Leapmotor, evident in the comprehensive suite of driver assistance features integrated into the C16. From adaptive cruise control to lane-keeping assist and advanced emergency braking systems, the vehicle is designed to mitigate risks and enhance overall driving confidence. This commitment to safety underscores Leapmotor's dedication to delivering a superior driving experience while prioritizing the well-being of its passengers. Furthermore, the Leapmotor C16 embodies sustainability beyond its zero-emission operation. The manufacturing process emphasizes eco-friendly practices, minimizing carbon footprint and promoting environmental stewardship. By choosing the C16, drivers contribute to a cleaner, greener future without compromising on performance or luxury. The launch of the Leapmotor C16 marks a significant milestone in the evolution of electric mobility, setting new benchmarks for innovation and sustainability in the automotive industry. With its dual powertrain versatility, striking design, and advanced safety features, the C16 represents more than just a vehicle, it signifies a transformative shift towards a smarter, cleaner mode of transportation. As consumers increasingly prioritize environmental responsibility and technological advancement, the Leapmotor C16 stands ready to meet and exceed expectations. Whether for daily commutes or adventurous road trips, this electric marvel promises an exhilarating driving experience while paving the way towards a brighter, more sustainable tomorrow. In conclusion, the Leapmotor C16 is not merely a car but a symbol of progress, an embodiment of Stellantis and Leapmotor's shared vision for a future where innovation and sustainability drive every journey. With its debut, the C16 invites drivers to embrace the electric revolution and embark on a journey towards a cleaner, more connected world.